Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And man, what a wild month we've had. A trade war, a yield inversion curve, and a rate cut by the Fed have led to an extremely volatile month. And while we will finish the last week of August in the green with weekly gains, overall we will finish the month of August in the red, or the second losing month of the year. And we'll start with the S&P 500. We're taking a look at a monthly chart. And as you can see, we're currently down 1.95% on the month, trading at 2,922.29 with a chart analysis score plus 65, indicating that overall we are in a sidelines position still to this day. Even going into Labor Day weekend, there were some early gains this morning, but both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ have slipped into negative territory, and the Dow's kind of clinging to life, trying to get out a gain on the Friday. But overall for the week, it is looking good. Key level to watch moving into next month will be 2,943.31. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. Dollar index hanging on to some gains, currently trading at $99, up above $98, where it's kind of been found a level of resistance and hasn't been able to quite break above that level yet. Chart analysis scores plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the US dollar. We'll have to see if this break above 99 continues in the next week. Currently a monthly gain of about 0.2%, relatively unchanged for the most part. As you can see, there was quite a bit of movement between $98 and $97 for the month. Key level to watch will be 97.44. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Reminder, we are looking at monthly charts here. So we have the Dow Jones currently down 1.84% on the month, trading at 26,370.82. However, the chart analysis score did flip today with a chart analysis score plus 90, issuing a new green weekly trade triangle at 26,426.97. Even though we're showing one on the chart, this monthly chart here, that was earlier in the month. So we'll go to a daily chart real quick for the Dow, just to show you that we got it right there. Currently trading 26,372.86. Relatively unchanged on the day at this point, but again, that chart analysis score is plus 90 as we move back to a monthly chart here. Key level to watch will be 25,339.60. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ by far having suffering the biggest losses. You can directly attribute that to the trade wars with China, down 2.9% on the month, with a chart analysis score plus 65, indicating that overall we're still in a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. The key level to watch moving forward will be 8,065.24. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil down 5.4% on the month, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that overall we're in a sidelines position. It did have a bit of a bump today, but it's giving back those gains, so I could see us heading lower from here. Currently trading at 54.83 with a chart analysis score negative 55. Key level to watch will be 52.96. A move below that level would issue that red weekly trade triangle again to send us back into a long-term downtrend for crude oil. Gold by far the biggest standout of the month, up 7.5% with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend, just coming under a couple days of recent weakness. Trading at 1526.80, had traded as high as 1565, its highest levels in quite a long time. Key level to watch would be 1552.60. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term long position, and a chart analysis score plus 100. And we'll back out of here, take a look at Bitcoin. Currently up 1.2% on the day. However, it is down 4.9% on the month, with a chart analysis score negative 70, issuing a red weekly trade triangle this week. Currently trading at 95.37.18. We'll take a look and we'll move this to a weekly chart. Actually, we guys go to a daily so we can see it. There's your new red weekly trade triangle on 829 and 94.6757, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Key level to watch moving forward will be 11,589.73. Move above that level would give a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great holiday weekend, and I'll be back next week to give you some levels to watch.